Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making veggie empanadas, and I'm going to show you right now how I make the dough for my empanadas, okay? So stay tuned. And so right now I'm about to add 1 cup of spelt flour and 1 cup of chickpea flour. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric for color. I'm going to mix together all of my dry ingredients. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Alright, so now I'm going to add a half a cup of water. And then I'll add the other half as I need the dough. Alright, so now I'm going to just mix my dough and start eating. Alright guys, so if your dough begins to get a little too sticky for you, you always can add in a little bit more flour. Alright guys, so you want to roll them into little balls and try to use spoons. And this recipe is usually 10 balls in total, okay? So you need 10 empanadas. Alright, so it's time to start rolling out your balls, making your empanada. I don't have a rolling pin, but you can use your hand, okay? And just use your hand and make a nice flat top or your cooking board. Alright guys, so when you're rolling out each new bowl, you can add more flour to your countertop or your cooking board, just so that the bowl don't stick, empanada don't stick. Guys, so when you're rolling out each new bowl, I'm about to chop up my ingredients that I'm using for my empanada filling, all right? So we're using mushrooms. I got white mushrooms, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions, all right? Mind you guys, you can use whatever healthy ingredients you want, all right? This is just what I'm using, but you can tweak the recipe to your liking. All right guys, so here's all the seasonings I use for my veggies. I use sweet basil, oregano, onion powder, Himalayan salt, thyme, and black pepper, all right? So you just want to take your veggies down. I like mine really sauteed. All right guys, so now we have our empanada disc and we have our filling ready to go. So I'm gonna fill these up with about 2 spoons of filling because I don't want to overfill it. I'm going to fold it over and press it down. Then I'm going to use my fork to fill it in. So I have my baking sheet and my parchment paper, and I put a little oil on here.